This is a showroom condition Volkswagen Golf GTi G60. The car spent its first 10 years in Munich before it came to the UK in 2000, when it had approximately 64,000 miles. The GTi was owned by a Nottingham-based doctor for 2 years and then had 12 years with one owner in Warrington who invested heavily in mechanical upgrades and maintenance. From 2014 to 2020, the GTi was in the south of France with an elderly owner who covered just a few thousand miles in 6 years of ownership. We collected it from the south of France in 2020, and since then we've sold the car to one of our long-term regular customers. The GTi has covered a little over 70,000 miles from new. It performs superbly, with impressive power coming from the supercharged 1.8 GTi engine. Between 2002 and 2012, the car covered just 3,100 miles and had improvements over this period, including a G60 Stage 4 overhaul and several other upgrades. You can find more information on our website. The link is in the description below. The car was professionally repainted and it now presents beautifully. One of the recent owners also sourced a set of original optional extra G60 wheels to further enhance the car. Clearly, this is a GTi which has had a sheltered life and it's largely original. We can confirm it is outstanding to drive, quick, powerful, feeling strong in all gears, and it's just great fun to drive. It handles superbly and is ready to go. Cosmetically, the car is exceptional. It has a very structurally sound body shell, the panels are perfectly straight and the paint finish is stunning. The upholstery is incredibly clean and well kept. You couldn't expect a better example after 30 years of careful ownership. This is a genuine honest car in a great colour with impressive performance and handling, a true 1990s hot hatch.